Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to go ahead and get the STI in here. I'm going to go over that fault code that we wound up getting. Could be a couple different things. Could be a boost leak, which I'm going to go ahead and we're going to test that. Could be a bad O2 sensor, which I don't think it is, but just in case I have a spare. Yeah, let's see what happens. Alright guys, hopefully you can actually see what I'm doing here. But basically, I have a smoke machine right here. I have the intake taken off with the exception of the tube. Mass airflow sensor is disconnected. What I'm doing is I'm just running smoke through the system, looking for any leaks. The lighting is terrible, but if I find anything, I'll definitely let you guys know. Alright guys, I have not found any leaks at all so far. And just to show you, it's absolutely smoking. I'm going to try and do this one-handed. So there's definitely smoke coming out of this, but we have no leaks, guys. The lighting in here is absolutely terrible. Hopefully we could figure something out. But I don't see any leaks, so that's actually good news. So I think the code could potentially be maybe a dirty map sensor, or the O2 sensor really is bad. But I don't see any leaks. Do see some smoke remnants here. That's literally just from me taking the smoke port out to make sure it was actually working. Alright, we're going to go ahead and install a Nameless Muffler delete. Right now there's the NVIDIA R400. Just looking for a little bit more tone. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and remove these mufflers. Nothing crazy. Nut and bolt here, nut and bolt here. 14mm, I believe. And same here. Here. I did spray them down with a little bit of penetrating oil. Little PB blaster. Alright guys, that's what came off the car. Those are the NVIDIA R400 mufflers. And then voila. There's the Nameless Muffler deletes. The Neo Chrome. Cleanest part of the car. This wasn't too bad of an install at all. The biggest thing, and they give you a black and white piece of paper for instructions. This right here. Just pay attention to that rubber exhaust hanger. Because I actually had this one on backwards and it was actually hitting this right here. I'll show you. That's what it should look like. passenger side, driver side. Alright, we're going to fire it up.